I can take you anywhere, I can take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, don't give up, no.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am back with another video, or should I say I'm back for another video. Which one is better? I don't even know. So guys, as you can tell from the title, today is all about makeup, cuteness, face, Fenty, beauty, Rihanna. Let's get to it right now. So Rihanna has came with a new product into her ever-growing Fenty beauty collection of so many great beauty products that I use a lot. If you watch my channel, you already know I use Fenty beauty all day, every day. So when Fenty dropped this new makeup gem, I was all over it. I was down, I was ready to start using it. So I want to come today and show you guys how it looks and give you guys a quick little review, my opinion, and what I think about it, how it looks on my skin, and is it worth it? Is it worth your points? Let's go. So guys, I went and got it out of the box. This is how it looks like as a container for the container freaks like myself. It's really cute, you know. I moisturized my face already, but now before I just want to do another moisturizer. My skincare is also Fenty Skin, so I'm gonna post that sometime in the future. But I already have like a Fenty skincare review if you want to see it. So I'm gonna be looking down a lot because my mirror is there. I need some Vaseline. I feel like my lips are dry. Okay, so I'm gonna use primer. This is the soft matte primer. It's the mini version, and I'm just gonna like prime my face before. Okay, so now that my face is all moisturized and all primed, now I'm gonna go with the blur. So what I do usually, I just take it like this upside down and I just go like at this point. You have two options, to either use a brush or to use your hands. I do either way. Sometimes I use my hands, sometimes I use a brush. So I'm gonna use my hands today. In this video, I'm putting more than I usually do. It's kind of scaring me. I don't like putting too much foundation on my skin. This is a lot for me, but for the sake of showing you guys really how it looks, I would do that. Really, no problem. No problemo. So just soak it in. Wow. So Rihanna said that she made her skin care and her makeup to be very compatible. So when you have her skincare like a cream, you should be able to put the makeup on top of it without feeling cakey. So that's really true, because it's like so light, like literally. Do I look like I'm cakey? No, I don't. I don't look good. No cakey business in here. No cakey business in here. So you see, that's how the Fenty blur is coming. What do you think of the skin tint? I'm gonna go with a concealer. This is also Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 400. I'm gonna do just a tad bit, okay? To set, I'm going to use this setting powder by Fenty Beauty as well. This is in the color Nutmeg, so I'm gonna grab a little bit. Alright, so that's done. I'm gonna leave it there for like 2 minutes. So guys, while we're setting the makeup, we are gonna go straight into, while we're setting the highlights, we're gonna go straight into our eyes. When it comes to the eyes, I really don't like doing too much, so I'm gonna go with this little brown color right here. Kind of, it's like a light brown, okay? It's not brown but it's brown, light brown. And I'm just gonna apply it all over my lids, like quick thing. I'm gonna go with this red here. I'm gonna put it in the crease. Then I'm gonna go with a really dark color, is this one, and just go back into the crease as well. Straight to the point. I'm gonna go back with this color, light brown, on top of my lids. Kind of like mix everything so it's like not too much. What I'm gonna do is just do a little line up. I'm using the NYX liner. Then I'm gonna do the other eye. Then now I'm just gonna remove the highlight and go and contour, right? So I'm gonna do a slight thing on the side here and a slight thing on the side here. That's good. We're good. I'm using this mascara from Tarte. Sometimes I like to do the bottom lash, you know. Fenty Beauty Cinnamon Stick Highlighter Stick. Go in with the highlighter. You see that? My lips like sugar. So I'm gonna use this Fenty brown color called Uneven. I'm gonna add a gloss on it. So guys, I finished doing my makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my review of Fenty Skin Tint Blur. I'm satisfied by hair because I know it's summertime and I'm gonna be reaching out to it more than my foundation because I like light stuff during the summer. When I want to wear makeup, I want it to be light, and this is light and I feel like it matches my skin tone very well. You see my skin, you see my neck, you see my face. One color, thumbs up. But 21 is my color, so go check it out if you wear 440 in the foundation, Rihanna Fenty matte foundation, then 21 should be kind of your color because they don't really have much colors I don't know. I'm satisfied and I'm excited because I think I look good. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you to all my people. Thank you for your comment. I've F with you. Comment down below so we can keep talking. This doesn't end here. Subscribe to my channel if you just met me. What are you waiting for? And also add me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Lacassie_. My page is private, so you gotta send me a request and I'm gonna accept you. And I also have another page that's public, that's like my YouTube page. You can follow that as well. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Thank you, love you, besos, bye.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.